In this lecture, we are going to discuss about a problem on design of FIR filters using Fourier series method. It is design an ideal band rejection filter with a desired frequency response HD of e power j omega is equal to 1 for mod omega less than or equal to 5 by 3 and mod omega is greater than or equal to 2 pi by 3. Find the value of h of n for capital N is equal to 11. It is find h of z and plot the magnitude response. It is here. Now we are designing band rejection filter, band rejection FIR filter. Here the following steps are used to design the band rejection FIR filter. It is by using Fourier series method. What is the first step? In the first step, we are determining the HD of n from the given specifications of filter. It is from the given specifications of filter, means from the given HD of e power j omega. It is here. From this, we are determining HD of n. HD of n is the Fourier series quotient. It is here. How to calculate the Fourier series quotient? By using this formula. It is HD of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi HD of e power j omega into e power j omega and d omega. It is here. First of all, before going to determine HD of n, first we are representing HD of e power j omega in graphical form. It is here HD of e power j omega is equal to 1 for mod omega is less than or equal to 5 by 3. This means minus 5 by 3 to 5 by 3. Here HD of e power j omega is 1. It is HD of e power j omega is amplitude is 1. It is here, and it is also 1 mod omega greater than or equal to 2 pi by 3. Actually, HD of e power j omega is calculated in the interval between minus pi to HD of e power j omega calculated in the interval between minus pi to pi. It is here HD of e power j omega is 1 mod omega is greater than or equal to 2 pi by 3. This means 2 pi by 3 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to pi. It is here. In this interval, HD of e power j omega is 1. For negative values of omega, means minus 2 pi by 3 to minus pi, HD of e power j omega is 1. It is amplitude is 1. Similarly, for positive values of omega, the 2 pi by 3 to pi, amplitude is HD of e power j omega is 1. It is this is the graphical representation of HD of e power j omega. It is here. Now we are determining the HD of n. First step is, in the first step we are determining HD of n. Here it is calculated by using this formula. Here this is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Here from the definition of HD of e power j omega, here integral minus pi to 2 pi minus 2 pi by 3, HD of e power j omega is what? In this interval, its amplitude is 1 into e power j omega n d omega. It is here. In this interval, here HD of e power j omega is 0. Here means in this interval HD of e power j omega is 0, means its value becomes 0 in this interval. HD of n becomes 0 in this interval, plus minus 5 by 3 to 5 by 3. Here in this interval, HD of e power j omega is what? 1 into e power j omega and d omega. It is plus here 5 by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Here in this interval, HD of e power j omega is 0. Here 0 into something is 0, means HD of n in this interval is 0. It is plus similarly 2 pi by 3 to pi, integral 2 pi by 3 to pi. Here in this interval, HD of e power j omega is 1 into e power j omega and d omega. It is here 1 by 2 pi. Applying the integration here integration of e power j omega n is with respect to omega is e power j omega n by Jn for this term. Interval is what? Minus pi to minus 2 pi by 3 it is, plus your integration of e power j omega n with respect to omega, e power j omega n by jn. Interval is what? Minus pi by 3 to 5 by 3, plus integration of e power j omega n with respect to omega it is. So that is e power j omega n by jn. Intervals is what? 2 pi by 3 to pi it is. Here in the all the three terms, the common term is what? Jn. Jn is the constant term I am taking out. It is, it means that becomes what? 1 by 2j pi n of, and here we are substituting the limits, upper limit and the lower limit. First we are in this we are substituting upper limit and lower limit. It is, first we are applying the upper limit, e power, in place of omega I am writing the limits, e power minus j 2 pi by 3 n minus the lower limit minus e power minus j pi n, plus similarly we are applying here e power j 5 by 3 n minus the lower limit e power minus j pi by 3 n, plus here we are applying the limits, e power upper limit first of all we are applying e power j pi n minus e power j 2 pi by 3 n it is. Here 1 by pi n, here I am dividing this total term with 2j it is, and separating the terms it is, pi terms, e power j pi terms, pi n terms, j pi n and minus j pi n I am taking it is one form, one term it is. Similarly e power j pi by 3 and e power minus j pi by 3 one term. Similarly e power j 2 pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3 n and e power minus j 2 pi by 3 n is the another term. We are dividing these terms with what? This 2j it is. The remaining term is what? 1 by pi n. Here first of all I am writing 5 terms. Here positive e power j pi n minus e power minus j pi n by this 2j it is, plus pi by 3 n, here positive e power j pi by 3 n minus e power minus j pi by 3 n divided by 2j it is. Here in these two terms I am taking minus sign it is, minus, here e minus, after taking minus common here positive, here e power j 2 pi by 3 n, here after taking minus sign, here sign is what? Minus it is, minus e power minus j 2 pi by 3 n by this 2j it is. Here this value is equal to what? E power j theta minus, in the all the terms we are observing of the form e power j theta minus e power minus j theta by n 2j form it is, here which is equal to what? Sin theta, sin theta. Here 1 by pi n of sin theta value here is what? Sin pi n, plus here theta value is 5 by 3 n, sin 5 by 3 n minus sin 2 pi by 3 n it is. Here actually it is the infinite duration sequence. HD of n is infinite duration sequence. Here HD of n is defined from minus infinity to plus infinity it is. Minus infinity less than or equal n less than or equal infinity it is. Here this is our first step it is. In the second step we are truncating the HD of n to capital N samples it is. Here capital N is equal to what? 11. Here we are truncating this HD of n to capital N samples it is. Actually this HD of n is what? Symmetrical impulse response it is. Here it is symmetrical about n is equal to 0 it is. HD of n is symmetrical impulse response. It is symmetrical about n is equal to 0 it is. Here now we are truncating this HD of n to what? Capital N samples. Capital N means 11 samples it is. 11 samples. Here h of n is equal to what? Here impulse response, I am writing impulse response h of n is equal to what? hd of n. This is our second step. Second step is what? Truncating the hd of n to what? Capital N samples. Here h of n, the resulting sequence I am considering it as h of n. H of n is equal to what? hd of n for mod n less than or equal to 5 days. Here hd of n is symmetrical impulse response. It is symmetrical about what? N is equal to 0 it is. Here we are taking h of n for capital N sample. H of n is equal to hd of n for mod n less than or equal to 5 days. This means what? Minus 5 less than or equal n less than or equal to 5 days. This means capital N samples is capital N value is what? 11 it is. Here h of n is equal to hd of n for mod n less than or equal to 5 is equal to 0, otherwise it is. Here h of n is equal to 1 hd of n is what? 1 by pi n sin pi n plus sin 5 by 3n minus sin 2 pi by 3n mod n less than or equal to 5 it is equal to 0, otherwise it is. Here this is our second step. Here third step. In the third step we are determining what? Sorry, this is in the second step. In the second step we are determining h of n corresponding this n values it is. H of n is what? H of n is symmetrical about what? H of n is nothing but hd of n. H of n is symmetrical about n is equal to 0 it is. What is the condition for symmetrical impulse response? H of n is equal to h of minus n it is. Here now we are determining this h of n for n is equal to 0 to 5 it is. A symmetrical impulse response means h of 1 is equal to h of minus 1, h of 2 is equal to h of minus 2, h of minus 3 is equal to h of 3, h of minus 4 is equal to h of 4, h of minus 5 is equal to h of 5, h of 5 it is. H of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 it is. Okay, h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5. First we are determining h of 0 value, means n is equal to 0, means limit n tends to 0, h of n it is. Limit n tends to 0, h of n, sin pi n by pi n, one term, plus limit n tends to 0, sin pi by 3n by pi n. Here we are multiplying 1 by 3 and dividing 5 by 3. Here our convenience form, I am converting this into our convenience form it is. Here minus limit n tends to 0, sin 2 pi by 3 by pi n it is. Here we are multiplying it with 2 pi by 3 and 2 by 3 and dividing with 2 by 3 it is. Here this becomes our convenience form it is. Here means limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta value is what? 1 it is. Here 1 plus, similarly this term is what? This value is what? 1 into 1 by 3 from the limits. The limit n tends to, theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is equal to what? 1 it is. This is of the form, similar form it is. 1 into 1 by 3 it is, minus, this is also similar form it is. 1 into 2 by 3 it is. 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here its value is equal to what? 0.667. H of 0 is equal to 0.667. Similarly, n is equal to 1. Means h of 1 is equal to h of minus 1. Here h of n is symmetrical impulse response. H of 1 is equal to h of minus 1. Here 1 by pi into 1 it is. Pi n. Pi of sin pi. N is equal to 1 we are substituting in this equation. Okay. Here 1 by pi into sin pi plus sin pi by 3 minus sin 2 pi by 3 it is. Its value is equal to what? 0 it is. Similarly, n is equal to 2. I am substituting in this equation. Means h of 2 is equal to h of minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 pi of sin 2 pi plus sin 2 pi by 3 minus sin 2 pi by 3 into 2 it is. Here its value is equal to 0.2757 it is. Similarly, we are substituting n is equal to 3 in this equation. Here h of 3 is equal to h of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 pi of sine 3 pi plus sine pi by 3 into 3 minus sine 2 pi by 3 into 3 it is. Here its value, this total value is equal to what? 0 it is. Here h of 3 is equal to h of minus 3 is equal to what? 0. Here now we are substituting n is equal to 4 in this equation. Here h of 4 is equal to h of minus 4 is equal to 1 by 4 pi into sine 4 pi plus sine 5 by 3 into 4 minus sine 2 pi by 3 into 4 it is. Here its value is equal to, this total value is equal to minus 0.1378 it is. Here similarly, substituting n is equal to 5 in this equation. H of 5 is equal to what? H of minus 5, 1 by 5 pi of sine 5 pi plus sine 5 by 3 into 5 minus sine 2 pi by 3 into 5. Here this value, this total value is equal to what? 0 it is. Here h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 is equal to 0 it is. Here now this is our second step. This is our second step. Here in the third step we are determining what? Transfer function of the filter it is. Transfer function of non-causal filter it is. Transfer function of non-causal filter. Non-causal filter it is. Here we are determining it by using Fourier series method. What is the, how to determine transfer function of the filter? Means the transfer function of non-causal filter it is. Non-causal filter. Here it is calculated by using this formula it is. H of z is equal to h of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2 h of n z power minus n plus z power n it is. Here we are expanding this n is equal to capital N minus 1 by 2. Actually capital N value is 11. 11 minus 1 by 2 means 5 it is. Here n is equal to 1 to 5. We are expanding it for n is equal to 1 to 5 it is. Here h of 0 plus h of 1 into n is equal to 1 we are substituting plus summation means plus it is. Here n is equal to 1. H of 1 into z power minus 1 plus z it is. Plus n is equal to 2. H of 2 into z power minus 2 plus z power 2 it is. N is equal to 3. Here h of 3 into z power minus 3 plus z power 3 it is. H of 4. N is equal to 4. H of 4 z power minus 4 plus z power 4 plus here n is equal to 5. Here h of 5 z power minus 5 plus z power 5 it is. Here now we are determining substituting h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5 values in this equation it is. Already we are calculating the h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3 values it is. Here h of 0 value is 0.67. Here we are substituting h of 0. H of 0 is what? 0.67. Here h of 1 is 0. H of 1 is 0. Here 0 into this term is 0 it is. Okay, plus h of 2. H of 2 value is 0.2757 it is into z power minus 2 plus z power 2 it is plus h of 3 is 0. 0 into this term is 0 it is. Plus h of 4 value is minus 0.1378 into z power minus 4 plus z power 4 it is. Plus h of 5 is what? H of 5 value also 0 it is. 0 into this term is 0 it is. This is h of z. H of z is equal to what? Minus point. We are simplifying, we are expressing it in terms of n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity it is. For negative values, power of z is what? Positive it is. For n is positive, power of z is negative it is. Here in this order I am writing for from minus infinity to plus infinity it is. That means h of z is equal to what? Here minus 0.1378 z power 4 plus 0.2757 z power 2 plus constant term 0.667 plus 0.2757 into z power minus 2 minus 0.1378 z power minus 4 it is. Here this is the transfer function of non-causal filter it is. Non-causal filter. This is our third step. In the third step we are determining the h of z of the impulse response. This impulse response it is. This impulse response it is. Next we are determining what? Realizable system means transfer function of band pass FIR filter means h of n. We are determining transfer function of causal filter it is. Transfer function of band pass band rejection filter it is. Band rejection filter, band rejection FIR filter. Here the system is what? That band pass rejection filter is the causal system it is. Causal system. Here how to obtain the causal system? Here simply to obtain a realizable filter, transfer function of a realizable filter it is. Here by using Fourier series method. Here what is the fourth step? What are the fourth step? Here from this fourth step we are determining the transfer function of the filter it is. Transfer function of FIR filter it is. This can be obtained by multiplying this h of z with z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here it is denoted by h dash of z. H dash of z is the transfer function of band rejection filter, band rejection FIR filter it is. To obtain this one we are multiplying this h of z with what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 it is. Here n value is 11 it is. Capital N value is 11. Here means z power minus 5 into h of z, h dash of z is equal to z power minus 5 into h of z is what? This value it is minus point here we are substituting h of z, here it is. Then after then we are multiplying this z power minus 5 with these terms it is. Here z power minus 5 into the first term means minus 0.1378 into z power 5 minus 5 into z power 4, z power minus 1 it is, plus 0.27, this z power minus 5 is multiplied with this term it is. Resulting value is what? 0.2757 z power minus 5 into z power 2, z power minus 3 it is, plus 0.667 multiplied with z power minus 5. Its resulting value is what? 0.667 into z power minus 5, plus here this z power minus 5 multiplied with this term. Here resulting value is what? 0.2757 z power minus 5 into z power minus 2, z power minus 7 it is. Similarly we are multiplying z power minus 5 with this last term it is. Resulting value is what? Minus 0.1378 z power minus 5 into z power minus 4 means z power minus 9 it is. Here from this this is the transfer function of realizable filter, transfer function of band rejection FIR filter it is. Here now we are determining what? h of n impulse response, capital N is equal to 11 it is. Impulse response h of n of this FIR filter it is, corresponding to capital N is equal to 11 it is. How we can determine it? One from the transfer function of the FIR filter, causal FIR filter it is, h dash of z it is. Here we are comparing this h dash of z with what? Summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity h of n into z power minus n it is. Okay, we are comparing this equation with this equation. Here for capital, from the definition of Actually capital N is equal to 11. Capital N is equal to 11. Here h dash of z can be written as what? Summation n is equal to what? Minus 5 to 5 it is. Minus 5 to 5 h of n into z power minus n it is. Here now we are expanding this one, then comparing quotients of power of now we are comparing this equation with this equation. From that we are determining the impulse response it is. Here means n is equal to minus 5, h of minus 5 into z power minus 5 it is. And n is equal to 5, h of 5 into z power minus n is equal to minus 5, h of minus 5 into z power 5 it is. Positive values it is z power minus 5 it is. Sorry, here causal filter, it is the causal filter it is. Here observe the power of z's, negative power in z it is, means n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1, means 10 it is. From this we are comparing expanding this one. This means h of 0 into z power minus 1 plus h of 1 into z power minus 2 plus h of 0 plus h of 1 into z power minus 1 plus h of 2 into z power minus 2 plus so on up to plus h of 10 into z power minus 10 it is. Here we are comparing this equation with this equation it is. Here h of 0 value is what? H of 0 is 0. Similarly h of 10 value, h of 10 is also 0 it is. Here h of 0 is equal to h of 10 is equal to 0. Here h of 1 and h of 9 we are observing. H of 1 is what? H of 1 value is z power minus 1 quotient it is, that is minus 0.1378. Similarly z power minus 9 quotient is also same it is, means its value is what? H of 9 it is. Here h of 1 is equal to h of 9 is equal to what? Minus 0.1378 it is. H of 2 term is 0. H of 2 and h of 8 term is 0. Similarly h of 3 is equal to what? H of 7. Here 0.2757 its value. Similarly h of 4 is equal to h of 6 is equal to what? H of 4 is 0, h of 6 is also 0 it is. Here similarly h of 5 is equal to what? H of 5 is equal to 0.667 it is. Here actually from this impulse response we are observing what? Here this is the impulse response of band rejection FIR filter it is. Here impulse response is what? What is the impulse response? This impulse response is symmetrical about this sample it is. Symmetrical about this sample. Here the impulse response is symmetrical impulse response for capital N is equal to 11 it is. Capital N 11 means 11 is the odd value. The impulse response is symmetrical impulse response, capital N odd it is. Here this impulse response is symmetrical about what? Alpha, capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here 5. Here means impulse response is symmetrical about the sample h of 5 it is. Here now we are determining the frequency response it is. Frequency response of this impulse response it is. Symmetrical impulse response, capital N is equal to 11, means capital N odd it is. How to determine impulse frequency response of symmetrical impulse response capital N odd? By using this formula it is. Here h of e power j omega is equal to e power minus j omega of capital N minus 1 by 2 summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n it is. Here from this one indicates what? H bar of e power j omega it is. which is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n. How to calculate a of 0 value and a of n value? A of 0 is calculated by using this formula. It is a of 0 is equal to h of capital N minus 1 by 2, and a of n is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n it is. Here now we are determining the magnitude of magnitude plot. Now we are plotting the magnitude plot it is. Here magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of this one it is. Means magnitude of h bar of e power j omega it is. Here first of all, from considering this equation, we are expanding this equation. N is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 it is. We are expanding this equation. N is equal to 0 to 5 it is. Here n is equal to 0, a of 0, n is equal to 1, a of 1 into cos omega, n is equal to 2, a of 2 cos 2 omega, plus summation means plus it is, plus a of 3, n is equal to 3, a of 3 cos 3 omega, plus n is equal to 4, a of 4 cos 4 omega, plus n is equal to 5, a of 5 cos 5 omega it is. Here to obtain this value, first we are calculating what? A of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 values it is. Here first we are determining a of 0 value it is. Here means n is equal to 0 it is. A of 0. Here how to calculate a of 0? H of capital N minus 1 by 2. Capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5 it is. H of 5. Already we are calculating the impulse response. This is already we are calculating h of n it is. Here this is h of 0 value is 0. Here h of 5. A of 0 is equal to h of 5. H of 5 value is what? 0.667 it is. H of 5 value is 0.667. Similarly, n is equal to 1. If by using n is equal to 1, a of 1 is equal to what? 2 into h of 5 minus 1. Capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5. 5 minus 1. Here h of 5 minus 1 value is what? 5 minus 1 is, which is equal to 2 into h of 4. H of 4 value is what? Already we are determining h of 4. H of 4 value is 0. Substituting h of 4 value. H of 4. Here a of 1 is equal to 2 into 0 it is. A of 1 is equal to 0 it is. Similar fashion we are calculating n is equal to 2. Substituting n is equal to 2 in this equation. Here a of 2 is equal to what? 2 into h of 5 minus 2 it is. Here 2 into h of 3. H of 3 value is 0.2757. 2 into 0.2757. Here a of 2 is equal to what? 0.5514 it is. Similarly we are calculating a of 3. This can be obtained by substituting n is equal to 3 in this equation. A of 3 is equal to 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus small n value is what? 3 it is equal to 2 into h of 5 minus 3 means h of 2. 2 into h of 2 value is 0. A of 3 is equal to 0 it is. Similarly n is equal to 4. 2 into h of 5 minus 4. Substituting here n is equal to 4 it is. A of 4 is equal to 2 into h of 5 minus 4 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 4 is what? 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 into h of 1. 2 into h of 1 value is what? Minus 0.1378. Its value is equal to what? A of 4 is equal to minus 0.2756 it is. Similarly, substituting n is equal to 5 in this equation. Here a of 5 is equal to what? 2 into h of 5 minus 5 it is equal to 2 into h of 0, which is equal to 2 into h of 0 value is what? 0. Here a of 5 is equal to 0 it is. And now substituting, here n is equal to 0, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 in this equation it is. The resulting equation like this it is. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to 0.667 plus 0. A of 1 value is 0. 0 into cos omega is 0. Here we are substituting. A of 0 value is what? 0.667. A of 1 value is 0. 0 into cos omega is 0. Plus A of 2 value is 0.5514 into cos 2 omega. Plus A of 3 value is 0. 0 into cos 3 omega is 0. Plus A of 4 value is minus 0.2756 into cos 4 omega. Plus A of 5 is 0 into cos 5 omega. 0 into cos 5 omega is 0. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to 0.667 plus 0.5514 cos 2 omega plus into minus 0.2756 cos 4 omega it is. Here magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Mod of h bar of e power j omega it is. Here let us, I am considering this value is r. Here magnitude of h bar of e power j omega is what? Square root of, this is our real part it is. Imaginary part is 0. Here j into 0 it is. Here real part square plus imaginary part square. Means only real part square is exists. Here square root get cancel. Mod h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? R it is. Here R value is this one it is. Here mod h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? 0.667 plus 0.5514 cos 2 omega minus 0.2756 cos 4 omega it is. Here now we are determining the decibel magnitude of h bar of decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here how to determine decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega? 20 log of mod of h of e power j omega it is. Here decibel magnitude of h of j omega is equal to 20 log of, here mod of h of e power j omega is what? 0.667. We are substituting this value here it is. The resulting equation like this it is. Here now we are determining the decibel magnitude by varying the frequency omega it is. Here we are varying this omega from 0 to pi it is. Here in this interval we are determining the decibel magnitude it is. Here omega in degrees, I am taking omega in degrees. Omega in degrees. Here I am taking 2 rows it is. In the one row we are taking the frequency, and in the second row I am taking decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. It is calculated by using this formula it is. Here now we are omega range from 0 to 180 degrees it is. Every 15 degrees we are calculating the decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here 0 degrees omega is equal to 0. I am substituting this omega is equal to 0 in this equation. Means we are calculating decibel we are determining for this frequency, we are determining decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega. How we can calculate it? One, by using this formula. In this formula, in this equation, we are substituting omega is equal to 0 degrees it is, and the resulting value is the decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega. That resulting value is what? Minus 0.5 it is. Here similarly 15 degrees, substituting 15 degrees in this equation, the resulting decibel magnitude is 0.058. 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60, 75. For all those frequencies, we are calculating the decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. Here after determining decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega, omega ranging from 0 to 2 pi it is. Here now we are plotting the magnitude response it is. Here decibel magnitude. Here on y-axis we are taking decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega. On x-axis we are taking the omega it is. Here omega is equal to 0. Decibel magnitude is what? Minus 0.5 it is. Minus 0.5 value. Here similarly 15 degrees. 0.058 like this it is. Make and locate all points corresponding those frequencies, decibel magnitudes corresponding decibel magnitudes corresponding to all those frequencies. We are observing points in the plot. It is join all those points by a smooth line. It is curve, sorry, join all those points by a curve. It is all those points by a line. We are joining all those points by free hand. It is here the resulting waveform like this. It is this is the band rejection filter. It is band rejection filter. This is the magnitude response of band rejection filter. It is